Hi Radhika,
Hi Tanvi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very fine, doing well.
That's
You look
great.
nice.
So as everybody can tell, we're in the festive mood, and we are right ahead of Christmas, and so our attire, Radhika and my attire, also kind of fits the current season and the flavor. It's festive season right around Christmas. So, welcome to our festive edit of NRG Retreat with Tanvi Kapoor. Today, we have with us Radhika Dashrathi, founder, Pearlyfield Foods from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. A warm welcome to you, Radhika, on our show, which is about everything wellness. And it's such a pleasure to have you on the show. So let's start by you giving us an introduction to Burley Field Foods.
Thank you so much, Tanvi, for the nice introduction and the welcome. So, I would like to introduce Burley Field Foods to you first. Uh, so, our company anchored in 2009, uh, and it was by my mother-in-law, Dr. Mrs. Dashrathi, who was trying to find a solution for ailments of for her father actually. When an
Okay.
Ayurveda Charya suggested her that try giving him figs, which are rich in iron and zinc, but she faced an issue of chewability, she faced an issue of availability and its perishability. So she tried to develop different varieties and developed methods to make it easy for him to eat. And after 4 years of rigorous trial and research, she came up with the perfect fig powder for him. And that we patented actually that process. And during this process only, we came up with our company of Burleyfield. And then there was no looking back actually. So we now have a wide range of 55 products, which are mainly categorized into four main categories of nutritious ready meal mixes, super grain flours, culinary and wellness powders, and beverages.
Wow, that's fantastic. What an inspiring story. I think every brand has some unique story to share about its inception and how it really came about. And I think this is a beautiful story to share. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for
Thank you.
sharing this with us. And what was the exact, problem that your mother-in-law's dad was facing at that point when she was trying to formulate this fig recipe?
The basic issue with fruits and veggies altogether is their perishability and availability. That is one of the issue we also face when we are sourcing products. Most of the ingredients which we use for our products, we make them on our, we produce them or manufacture them at our own farms and process them at our unit. But some of the ingredients we need to source them from outside because the availability is an issue.
All right. Okay. Okay.
So that
Okay.
was the issue she was facing.
All right. And so this was an introduction and a little bit about the story of Burleyfield Foods. Now tell me a little bit about Burleyfield versus processed foods.
Oh, that is a nice one. So, to tell you in a very simple sense, any process like that of boiling some veggies or blanching them or cooking them is literally processing of that food only. So, that is processing of food. But now, as we look at the definition of processed foods, the foods which the food which is uh, high in additives is now known as processed food. That is the notion which is there in everyone's mind all over the world. So these additives can be colorants, these additives can be thickeners, these additives can be food enhancers or preservatives, however so you say that. But they have one or the other side effect on the body. To give you an example, sodium benzoate is one of the preservatives which is used in pickles and juices and all. But it has a side effect that it causes uncomfortable what do you say crunching kind of a activity in the chest, and it is very dangerous for the asthma patients all over. But still we use it some or the other way. Also, many of us will be having the same kind of experience like we had actually, that whenever we bring in some ready to cook or ready to eat subsies or curries of different brands and all, over the period of time, like after having 3 to 4 uh, one after the other, we come to a point where we realize that अरे इन सबके तो टेस्ट सेम है. Why is that? This is because they have the same preservative in the same amount all over. That was
Okay.
actually a trigger point for us where we decided that we will do 100% pure USP. So that was a point, and that is a USP which we followed for many years altogether, and we are still following it and will do the same as well. So that was processed food versus Burley Field, as you asked us. So we make 100% pure products. There are no additives, there are no colorants, there are no thickeners, there are no food enhancers altogether. So our products are 100% pure.
Great. So Pearly Foods are 100% pure. And so what when we say they're 100% pure, what exactly do we also mean by that? Can you please tell all our audience what it means to be consuming 100% pure natural foods?
Uh, to give you an example, let's take example of anjeer. So
Okay.
anjeer is a fruit wherein there are many pesticides, or whenever we take out moisture from a fruit or any of the veggies, they have that capability that they will absorb more of the water from the surrounding, and in order to make them remain them or make them free flowing, some more of the additives or preservatives are added to it to make them free flowing. But we don't do that. We thought that, what is the problem if the powder is a bit sticky, it is not that free flowing, if it is coarse, rather than using some preservative, let's change the process altogether so that we can provide or match some of the other part of some of the other what do you say dynamics of that powder. So whenever you will have a bite or you will have a spoonful of anjeer powder from Burley Field, it is going to be 100% pure. That is like you are eating a fruit only. So two anjeer and one spoonful of anjeer powder is the same. There will be no preservatives or additives added to it.
Fantastic.
Hence, yeah, and hence we proudly say that hence due to this nature, it is useful for old people or infants to give as such because it has no additives.
Right. So this was a beautiful example that you just gave about anjeer powder or fig powder, and
Mhm.
how this is prepared and formulated naturally, 100% pure by you guys at Field Foods. Can we now also go through what you keep in mind when you decide, or rather design, your recipes?
Our focus for designing all the products is to make 100% pure, time saving, nutritious mixes, but by involving the regional and seasonal food which we grow here or around Marathwada. So that is
Right.
one point which we keep in mind. Also, during designing of a new product, we keep in mind the 4 pillars of immunity. Like, why not go around them? So these 4 pillars are iron, protein, calcium, and the vitamins. So we move around these only and try to design a recipe according to that. Uh, like uh, during these Corona times, everyone must have come across the notion that nahi abhi ghar ka khana banega. But once the lockdown started going off and the hotels started getting in, or the what do you say, the markets and all started, supermarkets and all started, this was one thing that people started buying more of the ready to eat products. There was a peak in where the people started buying more of the ready to eat products, right? So the strategy there is kato, gholo, banao, or khalo. That is easy because work from home was there. It is still there, so people prefer doing that. But where is nutrition in this? If there are going to be preservatives, these preservatives are going to make your food less palatable and low in nutrition. So the thought of designing a product or ready meal mixes for sake is that we also use the same strategy actually, that kato, gholo, banao or khalo, but which is nutrition loaded. To give you an example, we have pancakes. Pancakes are known to have eggs and maida in it, but it also have some preservatives to keep it free flowing, right? But the pancakes which we are making here, these are veg pancakes. We don't use egg in it, and we have more amount of soya bean, we have more amount of ragi, anjeer, kharik powder and all added to it, so that there is reduced amount of maida to it. Also, one another example is of sprout powder. Like it is a very common attitude in India to skip breakfast in the morning because we don't have time. Nuclear families do not have time in,
Sure.
and the morning time is very busy. So generally women actually tend to skip breakfast and go running to the offices or wherever they are employed. So we thought of coming up with a recipe where this can be a solution. So we designed sprout powder. So it has more of sprouts and less of wheat. It is a 10-minute recipe which is loaded with proteins. And like biologically speaking, proteins mainly make antibodies. And these antibodies are useful in immunity. So that was the thought of making up a recipe like this. So that was one. And also, another thought behind this is of reviving the grandma's recipes, which are withered off with time due to introduction of non-traditional and non-Indian recipes. Like everyone must be hearing from all their grandmas that ragi, that is finger millet, or
Right.
moringa, which is drumsticks, or what can we suggest more? There's halga, which is grown in Maharashtra actually most of the time. So all these products, they were used by our grandmothers. They used to tell us the importance of that, but they withered off with time. So we try to bring them together and make a more of a nutritious recipe. For example, I can give you millets. Nowadays millets have become a fad. Everyone is trying to have some or the other thing with millets,
Sure.
but these were there in the history of India from long decade. So trying to bring in these millets, trying to mixing them in a specific amount so that they will be useful, is the basis behind the millet bhakri atta which we have. So that was all of the thoughts which we actually have when designing of a new product. How we can give more of nutrition loaded product the to everyone there.
Fantastic. I think that's a lot of information, vital, relevant information for us to take in this episode. So much awareness you're spreading by being here on the podcast today, Radhika. Thank you so much. Not
Thank
just
you,
about the
Tanya.
brand Birdie Foods, but also about various ways in which we can now more easily incorporate, natural, healthy wellness foods. We also spoke about the four pillars of immunity, and I think till now this episode has been very, very useful. People are loving it. We are. Have an outpouring of comments. And in fact, we also, Sonali Arora says, I have tried products from Burleyfield. The products hold perfect flavors, and and I enjoy using them in my day-to-day cooking. My favorite is ginger powder. Kudos to Radhika
That's
Darshan.
me.
So we have a
That's
lot of
me.
feedback and comments flowing in as we talk. And
Thank
coming
you,
back.
Tanya.
Pleasure. So coming back, I would also like to know, Radhika, you have an array of 55 product lines right now.
Right.
And is running a food business easy? What problems have you faced? You did mention earlier
Mhm.
on in the episode that, of course, sourcing certain, fruits in all kinds of seasons can be problematic because so many of fruits that are available are seasonal in nature. So many of the ingredients are seasonal in nature. So can you like Any challenges faced by you initially or now in the food business? And what have your challenges been like? What's your journey been like?
Uh, to tell you, what do you say? Handling a food business is as easy as handling a 2-year-old. Like, I think you got me. What I'm trying
Yeah,
to say,
absolutely. Right.
because it is the same, like running after it, and every day is dynamic here. Like each and every day, it is a different story altogether. But jokes apart, that is the best part of it, and it keeps us going.
Right. So
So
you move
that is
through all the
what.
challenges and keep going because there's so much belief and love for what you really do that the challenges in the long run don't really matter, is what you're trying to say,
The
right?
challenge is actually, like I mentioned earlier, about perishability and availability of raw material is an issue. But we can, like we can go around these issues. The major issues which we actually faced were making people aware. Like dehydrated fruit and vegetable powders. This concept was totally new a few years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Now it is fine. Now people have become aware. Now people have started inculcating the habit of, okay, there can be a powder. But earlier people were not ready to accept such a concept. So we actually had to make them aware. We actually had to convince them first that this is the powder which is made from the fresh produce which you get from the market as well. That is one point. The other point is smell, texture, and the taste of the food. These are the parameters actually upon which uh, a person decides whether the dish is really nice or no. But
Sure.
when it comes to dehydrated fruit and vegetable powders or the instant mixes, that is a really big task for us to go around all this and produce a very authentic or nutritious product. So rather than going around the mechanical issues of manufacturing or logistics or packaging, all these issues we can handle. But breaking people's notion about a food type and penetrating into the market with by portraying your product, like which is going to be produced by some or the other brand, which can be same, which can be similar product, or by any giant brand. But how you are going to portray your product in the market is, these issues are the ones which are major issues for us. We have been tackling them, and now people are becoming aware of this concept of dehydrated fruit and vegetable powders actually. So I think these were the main issues which we faced and are facing still.
Fantastic. I think it's a learning journey for all of us, and despite all these challenges, it's
Definitely,
really
definitely.
phenomenal that you're able to carry on and having a product line of 55 over products, over 55 products. I think it's absolutely phenomenal to break all barriers and to be able to keep charging ahead. We also have a comment from Bhushan Hemundade who says, "My wife is regular Burleyfield products user. The gravy made using onion powder or chai made using ginger powder tastes awesome." So that's another feedback that we have. And Ashutosh Sahoni says, "You are the future Elon Musk in food business, Radhika."
My God, that is like
Right, right. So
that is
we
nice. Thank you, Ashutosh. Thank you, Bhushan.
we also have like a lot of comments of other people who have tried your products, and we also have other people who are commenting about how useful this conversation is right now as they're getting to know about how they can use these products in their daily life. And I think
They're actually supporting my section of people are becoming aware of how to use these powders. I'm so glad that people are pouring in these comments, because it is encouraging to see as well that yes, they are using, and now they are becoming aware of how to use these products. Because we get these questions now and then, used to get these questions now and then, people asking how to use it. Baba, अंजीर पाउडर कहाँ पे यूज करना है? but it is like, it is that easy that it is a substitute for sugar. It is a natural sugar, so you can use it anyhow, anywhere you want. For example, mint powder as well. Mint powder kaise use karna hai? So these were the questions which they used to come up. So we needed to make these people aware of how to use them, where to use them, in what quantity to use them.
Sure. And I think there's a very relevant point that Rishikesh Gauli has to say. He's basically expressing that everyone thinks that ready-to-eat products are for treks and camping, and for people going abroad. But believe me, all products from Burley Fields can be had on any given day, and it can be a minimum stock item. So yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
think, like, the awareness is growing, the perception in people's minds, about products like these,
Right.
ready mixes and fruit powders and so on and so forth. That perception is changing, especially now with the additional
Exactly.
information that these products are natural and completely 100% safe,
Right.
and to use, to consume, for them, for the elders in their family, for infants, like what you spoke about. So I think having
Mm-hmm.
that additional information also makes all the difference. And we are able to spread this information to a vast number of people through the podcast, which is the reason why we came up with NRG Retreat, about everything wellness, everything healthy, everything organic. So really, it's about coming together and creating a conscious movement, a conscious commitment between all the brands. And we are here to spread this awareness and really make a small contribution in people living healthier, happier, joyful
Exactly. Yeah.
lives from inside out, right?
Yes,
So,
yes, definitely.
right. So, tell me something. Why are powder products more expensive than fresh produce?
That is a very good question, actually. And people do ask us this question ki, why your powder is more expensive as compared to the natural produce which we get in the market. We often tell people the same thing, that okay, if you go in the market, you pick up a bunch of pudina or you pick up a bunch of lemongrass, which will cost you nearly 15 to 20 rupees, and our product is of 35 rupees. Why is there that cost difference between it? The answer to this is that there are n number of parameters which we consider after which that products come to you. So first of it is the quality of raw material which we use is a high quality raw material. We produce it in our farms. The best of the variety is sown in the farm for getting the best of the produce. So that is one point. We like the produce which is there in the farm, we pick it up, we hygienically sort it, we process it hygienically, it is packed in a unit, it is tested in our in-house facility, and then it is sent in the market. That is one point. The other thing is the conversion ratio of this natural produce is really low when it comes to dehydration. Like if you put in 1 kg of mint powder, only 10 grams of mint powder is going to come out. So the conversion ratio is really low. Also, the water content plays a very important part here. The amount of water content which is there in the fruit or the veggies which you're going to use for dehydration, the amount of water content is inversely proportional to the dehydration,
Mm-hmm.
actually. Like
Okay.
that is another point. And the other thing which we also consider here is that the processing cost here is high. And also one of the major point here is it is a concentrated powder. So even if you use half a teaspoon of that concentrated powder, it is enough for you to get that taste, to get that smell of whatever you are adding it to. If you get a bunch of pudina or you get a bunch of lemongrass from the market and keep it in the fridge, how much fresh it is going to turn black after 3 to 4 days. But a
Right.
packet of the same powder which is dehydrated, it is going to last long for 20 to 25 days, which is going to be helpful to you. So rather
Right.
than reinvesting in the same thing, you are going to have the same powder at hand, and it is pure. So you don't need any of the stress to go out, buy it, then sort it, keep it in the fridge, and then use it, cut it, and all these things. And there is also, it is hassle free. You don't need to strain out the products as well.
Right, right. So it's really easy and healthy and natural.
Yeah.
And Munish Sharma says we use Burley products and are very happy. Maithili Tiwari says I'm a regular user of these products, especially during the pandemic. The Ready Kadha has become a regular part of our routine. Kudos Radhika and Team Burley Field.
Yeah, that was one of our new products which we launched during the Corona times. The about the Ready Kada, and it was really a good product because we had many feedbacks which were coming in for that. So Ready Kada was one of our recent products which was launched.
So tell people more about the Ready Kara. We also have a lot of international listeners on this podcast that is aired on iTunes, Spotify, Google Podcast, TuneIn Radio. So let's tell them as well. Let's just give them a hint about what is Kara.
So Kadha is basically it has all the ingredients which were proposed by the Ayush Ministry when the lockdown actually started. We didn't add anything else because the ministry itself had well researched about what to put in and what to not. So we put in the right amount of all the ingredients. It mainly contains black pepper and cinnamon and ginger and tulsi and all the products which are produced in house. We used it in the kada. It is basically a decoction powder, and it is so concentrated that we have a 25 grams pack of it, but it is capable of producing 50 glasses in that one pack. And people, like, trust me, people have told us that looking at the pack, they were not, firstly they were not very satisfied with only 25 grams, but then they realized baba 25 grams bhi bahut hota hai, because it is, these are powders, these are dehydrated powders, and only half a teaspoon is enough to have the effect of what they are taking it in for.
Right, and it basically helps you to boost your immunity and to also stay protected from all kinds of viruses, etc. Right? That's the
Right,
basic use of Kara. Right? Am I
right,
missing
right,
out on
right.
something?
No, no, that was the same thing, that it was made with the sole motto of immunity boosting, and we have also named it the immunity booster for Burley Field as well. We don't claim it, but we have the feedbacks pouring in that yeah, it has a positive effect.
Right. Sabata Chaudhary has to say all products are fantastic and healthy. Anjeer Shake is awesome, which is the fig shake. And we have Pratap Dhokte who says, I can personally attest to how great these products are. Rutuja Ratna Parkhi says all products are very nice and Burley Field. And we have a lot of comments coming in. So I would right now just go on to the next question, which is where can people purchase your products?
Okay, so we are uh, we are based in Aurangabad. Like, we have the manufacturing unit in Aurangabad, but we do sell in Pune, we do sell in Nagpur, we do sell in Nashik, and on Amazon as well. So also we are coming up with a website as all for the same. So you can also place an order on the website. You can also place an order on Amazon. Amazon has all of our products. The whole range is available on Amazon. Also, we are started selling in Delhi as well. So in Delhi, I think Delhi Hut is the area that we have placed our products. So if Delhi people, please head to Delhi Hut and buy our products. Pune people, it is present in Dorabjis. It is present in all major supermarkets. It is present in PY Vaidya. It is present in Maharashtra Foods. It is present in all the branches of Agraj food processors and everywhere else. And Aurangabad people, it is present in all the supermarkets in Aurangabad. It is present in Farm Foods. It is present in Pankaj Kumar and all. Or these are all basically the supermarkets in Aurangabad. So definitely, people head to all the stores near you. You will find us. And
Great.
the easiest way is ordering on Amazon. And if not, you can directly get in contact with some or the other associate or me. We will process your order and get back to you with it.
Great. Thank you for sharing, Radhika. I also have a feedback from Sundareswar and Iyer who says the millet powders by Burley Fields are convenient to bake healthy breads, and also products are great for working parents as they are easy to prepare and feed young ones. Um, Meenal Advan says, love the ready kadha and dal bati mix. Big fan. Keep up the good work. I'm amazed to see your product variety. As people people are writing and commenting about the products that they've used. I mean, they go wide. The width of the product range is so wide. It's not just relevant to a particular area, such as only fruit powders, or only other kinds of powders. But preparing like a dal bati, I'm like really amazed at seeing this comment. So can you tell us specifically about the different varieties of products that you have? I mean, I have this beautiful brochure that was this beautiful leaflet that was sent to me along with the products which I'm going to come to next. And
Mhm.
it says 100% natural products, farm to fork processing, which is the USP at Burleyfield Foods. No additives, use of advanced dehydration technology, which we've already covered, microbiologically tested products. Can you also tell people about what is microbiological testing?
So it is compulsory for all the food products. Everyone, whoever is there in the food industry, they need to get their products tested from a registered lab. And these food products which are tested, they need to show the certificates as well. So we have an in-house lab which is set up. So all the products or each batch which is processed at our unit is tested in our lab, and then only we dispatch it outside. So microbiologically tested is, there are two types of testings which are done in these labs basically. So one is physiochemical testing and other is microbiological testing. So physiochemical test mainly involves the taking up the pH, the moisture, the ash content and all of the products. And microbiological testing is, there are six main microorganisms which need to be tested for foods, and two other tests are there which involve the total count of microorganisms which is there in the product. And there are ranges for this. If your product which is tested for these organisms is comes within the range, then only the product is ticked okay and is left, and then it comes out of the lab and is then marketed in the market. Otherwise that batch is not suitable for eating.
All
That
right.
is what is meant by microbiologically tested product.
Fantastic. Thank you so much. And like Radhika just mentioned, in Aurangabad, it is available at 21 outlets. Guys, for all of you in Aurangabad, you can pick up the Burleyfield products of your choice, Burleyfield products. 21 outlets on Aurangabad, Pune 11 outlets, Nashik 5 outlets, Nagpur, Rudrapur also has outlets, and now they're also present at Delhi Hut in Delhi. Otherwise, you can go to Amazon and take a look at their products. And I would like to come to this beautiful product that I have received, the Ragi flour, Burleyfield's Ragi flour. Just look at the beautiful packaging, and it's a rich source of calcium, holds a firm place in traditional Indian cuisine.
Exactly.
Popularly used as weaning baby food, ragi is rich in iron, dietary fibers, proteins, amino acids, micronutrients, antioxidants, etc., making it a superfood. So tell us more about this product, this beautifully packaged, healthy product that I'm holding in my hand right now.
It is one of the products which was withered off. These are the grandma. It is a part of the grandma's recipe only, which came up. So this is known as finger millet, nachni or ragi, and it is the first weaning food for babies because it is very easy to digest for the babies. So people generally make a what do you say, watery paste out of it, give it to the babies. Also, we have ragi malt, which is also available in fruit flavors, because when introducing fruit or when introducing such flows to the babies, we don't want any kind of sugar or any kind of salt to be added to it. So only the fruit powder is added to it so that babies have a good time with it and they don't mess up with that.
Great, fantastic. And it also says it's gluten free and it lowers your cholesterol. So it's amazing for all you people who are, not into consuming gluten. This is definitely something that you can try for yourself and your family members. And
Millets are actually gluten free. Millets are actually gluten free. Nowadays, the fashion or the fad of the millets is there, but many people are not aware of this fact that millets are a grain which are originally gluten free. They are naturally gluten free. So any flour which is made out of millet is going to be gluten free.
Right. And we also, this is the beautifully packaged fig powder and ghee powder. And it's again 100% pure and natural. It builds your strength and immunity, completely preservative free. And this is what it looks like, beautifully packaged. And can be added to milkshake, cookies, cake, ice cream, modak, halwa. There's so many ways of really using this and incorporating this in your life. And this is the garlic powder, which helps in
You
balancing
can just
flavor.
open it if you want and just
Yeah,
smell it.
this is how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna try and opening it, but I don't have. Oh wow, okay, I can just open it like this. Oh my god, that's it smells amazing. I have to say that. Wow, farm
So
to
this
fork,
is one of the points we were discussing about.
farm to fork, and
Yeah.
it just smells amazing, you know.
So this is one of the point actually which we were discussing about the smell, texture, and taste upon which people give a what do you say 5-star rating if the product is good or not. So we
It smells
try to match up
so
to the
fresh,
smell and all.
Shaka. It smells so fresh, and it can be
Thank
added
you.
to all kinds of vegetables, gravies, curries, your raitas for other kinds of seasoning, sandwich spreads, paratha, sauces and dips, anything your tummy loves. Literally, it smells really good and it smells fresh because the other kind. I mean, I'm so glad you made me open this right now, and I, kind of inhale the fragrance because it smells so fresh. Because usually, when you pick up mixes, masalas from the market, you can literally smell. I don't know. It's something that I feel. I can literally smell the preservative. It has a very peculiar
Hmm.
kind of smell, which like here I can tell like it's so fresh and that smell is missing. So I can't describe to you like how it smells, but it's there in all kind of food mixes that have preservatives in them.
I'm glad you liked it.
Especially this, yeah. I'm really loving it. I can't wait to try it out. So tell me something. Once this is opened, I can just,
Yeah,
of
you
course,
can
like,
see
you
it.
can seal it right back like this,
Yeah.
or I can also store it, right, in a
Yes, yes,
type
yes.
container and just put it. And so, what is the duration, for these products? How long can they be used for without going bad?
If you consider some of the products are 6 months and some of the products are 12 months.
Okay, so that will
So
be
they have a
specified.
shelf life of 6 to 12 months. There are categories of products which fit in 6 months. There are categories of products which fit in 12 months.
All right, great. And कल Kalpalata Patil Bharaswatkar, I hope I've got your name correct. We like all Birdiefield products. Keep it up. Looking forward for new innovative products and good vibes. So yeah, people do realize that there's a lot of innovation that's going on here. Which is also really imperative for any brand. But here it's also so useful because the products are so handy, even for people like you were saying, nuclear families or people who have to go to work every day, have so many tasks at hand, or people who are living by themselves. It's essentially something that will go with all kinds of lifestyles, like people can like really experiment with these products, and it has
Mhm.
such a lot of variety that people can try. And okay, Rushi, let's read this comment. Rushi Palotkar says she loves Birdiefield products, especially Kadha and Fig products.
Thank you.
So just going through all the feedback. And Vanita, this is a relevant comment as well. Vanita Lakhar says, I am a senior citizen. I use these products and they are very tasty and nice. So, like we see, like we've got comments coming from people across all age groups. So, really, it's for anybody and everybody who would like to use these products. And Amod Deshpande says, well, just thought of having tea with adrak powder. So, tell us about your range of tea that's available under your brand, Birdie.
So we don't make those normal, what do you say, normal looking or normal tasting teas. We mainly have invested in making more nutritious teas. That one is beetroot lemon, and the other one is amla ginger. Along with it, we also have two kadas, which is one is the ready kada, which I described, and the other one is the turmeric kada. So beetroot lemon is the one where we have beetroot powder and lemon powder mixed together. It's a tangy tea. You can use it in water, you can use it with soda, or however you like. And amla ginger is the one which is the same. You can use it with warm or cold water and or soda, and it is very effective on acidity as well, because ginger plays a very big role on acidity as well as nausea, and amla
Right.
also plays the same role of also adding vitamin C to it.
So, right. So
So
it's
we
even good for
have
pregnant women.
sorry,
Sorry,
I'm so sorry.
you want to say something?
We have invested in making these kind of teas rather than the normal streamlined teas which come up.
Right. I was saying this is also very safe range for pregnant women if it helps with nausea, acidity, and other things. And so we were initially talking about how it can be consumed by senior citizens and infants. It's also very safe for pregnant ladies. I mean, if this is, if you want to use the tea that can help you with nausea and other things, I think this is definitely a product that you could, try. The other patented products, of course, we've spoken about Anjeer powder, instant milkshake powder. This is so interesting. The benefits are it aids in digestion, controlling hypertension, stress, and it uses Anjeer milkshake, laddu. Okay, so you can use it to make Anjeer milkshake, laddu, Anjeer
Yes,
halwa.
yes,
So this is
yes.
very, very interesting because it says it helps in digestion, controlling hypertension and stress. Can you tell me more about this? Like how this instant
Anjeer,
milkshake powder
Anjeer
can help
is
with all this?
yes, yes. Anjeer is mainly known for it is very rich in iron and zinc. So it when it is coupled with ragi, so natsni or finger millet, it is known to be the richest source of calcium in food. So we have coupled it together for making it a iron calcium drink. So as I said, we go around those four pillars trying to bringing up some of the other recipe like this. So Anjeer Ragi milkshake is the one which we have mixed these two together, so that generally children don't want to eat anjeer, and which is really necessary for health. It is a fruit, so children need to eat fruit, but they don't like anjeer. So powdered anjeer in the form of a milkshake along with natsni or along with ragi as we call it. So this is going to help the mothers also to be at peace that okay, मेरा बच्चा खा रहा है, ऐसा कोई
Right.
issue नहीं होगा. Hence that was the thought behind it. So it is very easy. It is a 2 minute milkshake. Just add 2 tablespoons to a blender, add milk or water, whatever you like, and just blend it and give it to the kid. He will have anjeer. He will also have a glass full of calcium, and he'll be ready to go.
Fantastic. And we did speak about the range of serene tea and the instant pancake, the instant ragi malt. We also now have the instant sprout paratha mix, instant bambaya pav bhaji. And amongst the powder products, there's garlic powder, which we just saw right now, along with the
Yeah.
packaging. There's amla powder, there's lemongrass powder, ginger powder, mint leaves powder, tulsi leaves powder, and we also have amla powder. So there's so much really like across all these brands, all these products across the brand. And the good thing is that under every product that comes out here in the flyer, they've also mentioned the benefits. For instance, the tulsi leaves powder, it says that it can aid in resolving gastrointestinal problems, skin
Yeah.
infection, respiratory issues, cold, cough, kidney stone, etc. The mint leaves powder can help relieve an upset stomach, cold and cough, skin problems. The amla powder is helpful in resolving acidity issues, hypertension. The lemongrass powder can help with controlling cholesterol, stomach upset, flu, nausea, vomiting, weight loss, and skin disorders. The ginger powder aids in blood circulation, improves immune system. The garlic powder helps in maintaining healthy blood circulation, improves the body immune system. The onion
Right.
powder is an excellent antioxidant, body temperature, and hormonal balance. So it also helps with body temperature and hormonal balance. So it's really lovely to see because usually when you pick up, when we used to pick up these kind of products in the market, we never really knew about what the benefits are. It was just
Yes.
based out of necessity or utility, without really taking into consideration health benefits. But now with
Mm.
this kind of beautiful packaging, where it also mentions to you the benefits, among other things, it's really a very unique concept indeed, Radhika.
Thank you,
And
Tanvi. Thank you so much.
pleasure. And on that note, I really like to congratulate you and your mom-in-law for this wonderful venture, where it's really contributing to a healthy living, healthy lifestyle for folks across all age groups, senior citizens, pregnant women, infants. So it's really safe for everybody to consume these products. And for everyone who wants to follow this brand on Instagram, it's by the name of Burley Fields, @Burley Fields. And also, for people who are interested and want to stay tuned to wellness, do hop by and listen to our podcasts, Energy Retreat at Tanvi Kapoor, Energy Retreat with Tanvi Kapoor on Spotify, Google Podcasts, iTunes, TuneIn Radio, and you can also go back, rewind this episode on Facebook or on YouTube on Tanvi Kapoor and take a look. I'm sure Burley Fields will also be putting up the episode, so you can find it on their handle as well. And it's been an absolute pleasure to have you on this episode, Radhika. And I would love to have you back on the show when
Oh,
you come up
definitely.
with more products as well, because this has been so useful, and it's really helped. I can talk for myself that it's really helped me to improve my awareness about what all is available that's actually good for my health and the health of my family members, and also how I can incorporate it into my daily life. Because so many times, we come across brands or come across talks where we do know, yes, certain products are very, very good for us, but we don't know how to incorporate them into our daily
Hmm.
routine. Your
Right.
products are like, but your branding, your packaging is so simplistic, because you're actually also telling people how they can use these products and how these
Hmm.
products can really benefit their health. And I think that is something that is so interesting and unique, which usually you don't find in other brands and products. So, on that
Thank you.
note, Radhika, thank you so much for joining us today on the show, and
Thank
wishing
you,
you a
Tanvi.
Merry
Thank
Christmas
you.
and a Happy New Year. And we will see all of you back on the podcast on the New Year now. So, on that
Yes.
note, signing off, thank you so much for joining us today, Radhika.
Thank you.
That was
Thank you. Merry
Radhika,
Christmas and Happy New Year to you too.
thank you. That was Radhika, the founder of Burleyfield Foods. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tanvi. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.